why am I getting plenty of clicks from my Amazon ads but no sales? Many things can happen. It can, one, be the campaign time that you created, the structure. If it's a more discovery type of campaign where you don't have exact match, but you have anything that is not exact match, that is already going to generate your clicks without no conversion, or it's going to generate a way larger amount of clicks than an exact match campaign. And again, that can be a reason why you are getting clicks but no sales. Another reason why you could be getting this is category targeting. Now this closely goes hand in hand with my first answer, but category, again, it's one of those broader match types that if you're creating, you might be getting lots of clicks but no sales. The third thing that I'm thinking of, it can be that you're targeting a keyword that maybe your price is like $9, you're getting a click, your competitors are $20, for example, so you are getting quicker click than they get, but still it's not going to get to conversion because whatever you were targeting, it's not describing exactly the product they looked for. Next thing that I'm looking at. Or fourth, it can be that it's totally irrelevant to whatever you're selling. These are on top of my head. Those are the reasons why.